Welcome back. Kevin's Mobile Repair, 2012 Nissan Altima, doing a washer jug. This would be on the passenger side. The wheel well liner will need to come down. This vehicle has been in an accident. Wheel well liner has a couple of screws attached to the bottom of the fender, 1, 2, 3, and a couple of push pins like here, and then that typical splash shield that goes right there will need to come down, and then just peel it back like yay. Gain access to all the bolts. Got one here, and then another one on the top over here that you cannot see. But if this is the washer jug, there it is right there. You'll need a rather long style extension to get to it like yay, because you'll get to it from the top up here. It's just a 10mm, but you need that long extension in order to get to it. Disconnect your motor and your level sensor. Now what I did is this thing was completely full, so I took everything out and about before I disconnected the lower hose for the pump, because once you do that, then all the fluid comes flowing out right there. So what I did is had everything all loose, and that was the last thing I did, and then I just put a cap, I don't know where it went, little vacuum seal cap right over top of it, so that way it didn't leak out as much, and then drop it down. It does have this little indentation right here which goes into the frame, so that's the only thing you'll have to fight with going back in and coming out, because this thing was kind of wedged into place. Had to get a screwdriver and come from up underneath and wedge it out. Also, a couple of wiring harnesses that you'll need to move. These two grounds right here wrap around this top part, and it also has a just a push pin connected to hold the harness there. There's another one right there, and then one more right there. So you'll pop those out as the thing comes down, and then under these two grounds, move it up out of the way and makes this thing coming down a whole lot easier. Going back together same way. You do need to remove the upper half of the tube for this. It just simply pops out. Nothing much to it. But going back together now. Should be done in about 10 minutes or so. Questions, comments, feel free to let me know.